Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through a recent haul I have from Forever 21. So if you want to see that and how I styled with the new pieces, then please keep watching.
In the calm fall air, and I think I'm changing back into someone I like to call myself.
Hey guys, what's up? It is the beginning of June, and as you know, life has been crazy in America. It's been hard to find motivation to film just because of everything that's going on. I am for the Black Lives Matter movement. I believe that there is a crazy amount of white privilege in our society in America, and that needs to change. I think I'm gonna do a whole nother video dedicated to that movement in general. So for now, I just want you to know I'm acknowledging it. It's definitely on my mind, and I didn't even really feel like doing my makeup today, so I just have like some foundation on and my lipstick because I'm like, I can't look like a hot mess. But I wanted to keep filming, and just this is reality. I didn't feel like being cute today. I have my shit model management shirt on, which is a whole nother organization for my industry, so you can look that up too. But let's just get into it and try to find something fun to do in a time like right now. So all of these pieces I just got, I ordered them about a month ago from Forever 21, and the day I got them in, I styled a bunch of outfits and filmed them right away. Then I went away, wore some of the stuff, and so I have a really good idea now of what I really like, what has been lasting, and so on and so forth. And I will also pop in outfits that I've styled with the new pieces so you can see kind of what they look like on. The first piece that I'm going to review is this tan bodysuit. This bodysuit was recommended by Julia Havens on her channel. I'm obsessed with it. I love these really skinny straps. It looks very expensive when it's on. I got a size medium because I'm tall, and it fits me perfectly. Sometimes with bodysuits, when they have a full butt, the back has like a bagginess to it. This does not. These look great kind of with everything. In my styled video, I paired them with green sweatpants from, I think those are from H&M, my Yeezys, and just this, and then some gold jewelry, and it's just a great basic look. And then you can also dress this up. So this is just one of those basics that I would highly recommend, that you just have a bunch of stuff like this in your closet, because if you're ever in a jam, you can just throw this on. It pretty much matches everything, which is why I also picked up this bodysuit in black. I have actually been wearing this a ton, and I haven't worn the this one out yet, the tan, but I have worn the black one, and I will say it wears very well. I do not have to wear a bra with it because it's thick. So like you really can't see through it, to be honest. Like you might see that you have a nipple, but it's not aggressive, if that makes any sense. But it's double lined. The material is amazing. It's stretchy. I love the way it fits. I love the way it looks with jeans and sweatpants. And I believe I styled this with jeans from Zara. They're like the baggier jeans, and then a little pair of tan booties. I forget where they're from, like Fashion Nova or something. And it just looks so expensive and so cute, and you don't have to worry about it coming untucked because it's a bodysuit. So this is another great basic that I highly suggest you grab because it looks way more expensive than it is. And from the past 2 or 3 weeks I've been wearing it, the quality is. The next piece I have here is a pair of bike shorts. These are in a size small. They're ribbed, and they are so thick, and they look so nice on. So if you're looking for bike shorts, I highly recommend these. They were $13. I mean, you really can't get better than that. I feel like, I know they're trendy right now, but a lot of stores that are selling bike shorts, like, you know, Pretty Little Thing and stuff, sometimes you get them and they're very cheap, and they're thin and they fall apart. I've had them, you can like see through them, so you can see like camel toe and butt crack, and that's not my jam. So I styled them in this video to look more dressed up, so you could see that option with like a plaid blazer, these, and sneakers, or you could wear this with heels as well and like a big t-shirt. These are also, to me, kind of a summer staple. Like you need these in your wardrobe. I'm definitely now going to order these in probably, I'll have to check, see if they have other colors, but these ones are amazing quality. I've loved them so far. I cannot wait to keep wearing them. And I'm gonna wear them out this weekend. The next piece I got that I styled in this video here with the bike shorts is this white sports bra, and I have worn this a bunch of times so far and it is amazing. I love it. It's the perfect sports bra if you don't have huge boobs. I have probably average size B cup boobs and it keeps me in there. It's secure and it looks cute. It's a nice top, so you can wear it as a sports bra or a top, and I love it both ways. It's really great quality. I've washed it and it still has kept up its quality. I washed it with bleach with all my other whites. It has a pad on the inside, very, very thin pad, and you can take it out here. It's removable. I'm not going to take it all the way out because that's so annoying, but that's how thin it is. So it's great material. I love that it's also ribbed just like the shorts I got, so when I wear them together it looks really cute, and huge fan. I recommend this if you're looking for like a small white tube top kind of vibe. It's perfect. Okay, the next piece I got I'm not as happy with. It looks really cute in this video the way I styled it, because when I wear workout clothes I actually love to wear them with a little hoodie, like a cropped hoodie, because I feel like then you can take it off and tie it around your waist and it's the perfect transitional piece. So I've been wearing this a ton when I work out recently because that's always what I start with on, and I like it and it looks cute, but the problem is I've washed it once and the drawstring came out. Now I was able to put it back in, so here's the drawstring. I was able to put it back in, but I had to tie it a different way, and it wasn't too expensive, so it's fine, but I just didn't think it was the most amazing quality, and it already the fabric looks kind of cheap. So I don't know if I'd recommend this, but if you're just looking for like a throw around hoodie at the gym and you don't really care about the quality, it definitely does the job. The next piece I got is another basic. I feel like this entire haul is just really great basics, so maybe that's what I'll call this video, Forever 21 Basics Haul, because this is another one. I never for some reason think to get basics. I just always get really awesome trendy pieces and then realize I have no basics to pair them with. So I grabbed this racer back neck tank top. It's very thick and it's ribbed, so it's great quality. In this video, I believe I paired this with, in the video I inserted, I paired this with my Playboy misguided sweatpants, sneakers, and just this, and tucked it in. It's great quality. I haven't worn it yet out, but to be honest, it's super thick and it just feels way more expensive than it was. I believe it was, I don't even know. I have it linked down below. I have everything linked down below and the sizing that I chose. This was a size small. I usually stick between small and medium, just kind of depends on the reviews, but I'm glad I went with a small on this because it would have been too big as a medium. I also grabbed that in a white color, and also a size small. It's not see-through. So in the video, I styled it with some black denim and white boots, and I don't have a bra on underneath and you can't see through it. It's a great quality tank top. I have tons of wife beaters from like Target or whatever, and that is just super thin, and although I like that because it's cool and it's 90s, I don't have anything that looks more dressed up. So if I want to wear like a cute skirt with boots and a white tank top like this, I can't wear those. So this will do the trick. It's perfect. It's long. It's not cropped. It can be tucked in. So I also highly recommend this for your basics. The next thing I got is also a basic. It's a t-shirt. And right now I've been seeing a lot of trending with the button-up cardigans, and I haven't found one that I'm in love with yet. I'll keep you in the loop on that, and I'll let you know if I find one. But I did find this shirt that kind of reminded me of it. It is a V-neck and it's a mock button-up, so you can't actually unbutton this shirt. This white one I paired with, white t-shirt I paired with my light denim from Walmart and just a Kappa hat. They look so cool together. It's so casual. I think I got this in a size small. This is also ribbed, and it's just a really good cut. It's kind of will go with everything. I think I would also wear these with sweatpants or bike shorts, just kind of whatever. It's a basic. It's kind of a no-brainer, and it's super cheap. So, and the final thing I have in this haul is the same shirt in black, because I feel like if you're gonna get it in white, you might as well get it in black, because if it turns out to be a great basic, you're gonna want both colors, and if you can get white, black, and tan, then you're in the money. Perfect basics. We should all have a section in our closet that's just white, tan, and black of like tank tops, bodysuits, t-shirts, you know, whatever. So in this one, I paired this, I believe, with, I paired this in my video with black denim from Free People and I believe Doc Martens. It's another great basic t-shirt. I love the way it's cropped. I love the V. I like that it looks like a mock button-up. because you don't have to worry about it coming unbuttoned. It just kind of gives you the vibe. So that is my basics Forever 21 haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to know of any of the outfits I was wearing, if you need the links or something, you have a question, just leave it in the comments below. I always get back to the people that comment. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of content, because I love posting, you know, everything that I'm shopping for right now, which is too many things, but to be fair, it helps you guys choose what to buy. So if you want to see more videos like this, then please leave me a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.